Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today we have with us the BenQ ZOWIE ZA11 wired ambidextrous gaming mouse. Before opening, let's take a look at the box itself. On the box you see the ZOWIE logo and a silhouette of the mouse. On the sides you see the branding, and at the back you see some additional product details. Now let's open up the box. Inside the box you have the mouse itself, a free ZOWIE logo sticker, and some additional sliders, some service information, and a user guide. Now coming to the mouse. This mouse is made of plastic and is pretty lightweight. You see the standard left click, right click, and the scroll wheel. On either sides of the mouse, you see the glossy side buttons. This is because this is an ambidextrous mouse. You can use it either in your left hand or your right hand. By default, this mouse comes in the right-handed mode, but you can change the settings by following the instructions in the user manual, since ZOWIE mice do not come with any type of software to customize the settings. So, if you're someone who takes part in LAN tournaments on and off, this is good for you, since you won't have to bother installing any software whatsoever. On the sides, you don't have any rubberized grip or anything, but it still has a good friction to it. This mouse is a high profile arc, so most of the pressure that you apply from the palm will come from the upper part of your palm. In order to change the DPI settings, you have to turn the mouse upside down. The button switches all the way from 400 DPI to 1600 DPI. At the top, you have the LED indications for it. This, however, is kind of a bummer, since every time you need to change your DPI, you will have to turn it upside down. Other than that, at the bottom, you see the optical sensor. The 2-meter long cable included with this mouse is extremely soft and flexible, making mouse bungee an unnecessary purchase. If the sliders at the bottom of the mouse wear off, you can replace it with the additional sliders provided along with the mouse. So that's it guys, that was the unboxing of BenQ's ZOWIE ZA11 wired ambidextrous gaming mouse. Thank you for watching and goodbye.